friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin MAUI Design. Uh, Today we are going to learn about pop-up, how to display a pop-up in dotnet MAUI. So I have created example of three types of pop-up. One is display alert, another is display prompt, and third one is plugin.maui.popup. So the third one is an one of the nugget I have installed to show the pop-up. So there are many nuggets like Sync Fusion uh, uh, and another also. Uh, you can use whichever you prefer, but uh, I I preferring this. This is very good and easy to use. So I'm using plugin.maui.popup. So mm, let's start. So this is the application I have created for demo. When I click on display alert, it opened the display alert. I will This is from right to left because I have set as a setting. Another is display prompt. Here is a text box where user have to input. Okay, so I have kept max length of 1 and the keyboard numeric. So it is showing only numeric keyboard and the max length is 1. So it will not allow to enter another input. Okay. Another is plugin MAUI pop-up. So it is customized pop-up. You can design as you want in the pop-up. So this is the pop-up and background will be transparent grayish. Okay. So let's begin with the code. Uh, this is uh, uh, this is also used in Xamarin. So it is same as in Xamarin. Uh, so for the display alert, I have used a display alert function which is provided by the MAUI. Here is a title and then the message. Okay. Okay. This is the title. This is the message. This is two buttons and the right to left direction. So it is showing the left to right to the left direction. Okay. Another is display prompt. It will get a input from the user. This is called a display prompt. So display prompt you have to use a display prompt sync. Okay. This is the title. This is the message. Do you want to what you want to show? These two are button for the confirmation and the cancelling, and the another is a this placeholder. Okay. So you can see that this is a placeholder. This is max length and the keyboard type and the default value. Okay. uh, when I open this, it will show a default value of 0. Okay. And if you want this text box value in a variable, so you simply have to write uh, into the variable name and equal to the another is a plugin MAUI pop-up. For this, you have to install a nugget. You have to install nugget called plugin MAUI pop-up. Okay. So you after installing the nugget, you have to create a new page. You can insert a MAUI content page. After that, your content page will be appear. Okay, you cannot directly add this pop-up dot base pop-up page. First, you have to add content page. Then add a namespace here. Okay, So whatever you give the name here will be used and colon than the base pop-up page. For example, I am using pop-up, so it is showing error. When I replace the name, it will directly show the base pop-up page in IntelliSense. So first you have to create a namespace. uh, with the help of namespace you can create a parent XML tag. Okay, this is a is close background click. Okay, so what this it mean? When I click here and here, it is not closing. When it is true, when I click anywhere outside the dialog box, it will close the dialog box. If you want this type of action, then set this value as a true. This is the uh, horizontal fill. So it is taking full area in the horizontal. Okay, and the padding 10, this is the padding 10. Okay, after that you have to use you have to write the you have to create a design. Okay, so design whatever you want. You can put a text box or image or a button, and the same you have to code like if you are coding in MAUI. And another thing, in C sharp CS file, so it should be not inherited from the content page, it should be inherited from the base pop-up page. Okay, now how to open uh, mm, this plugin pop-up? To open this plugin pop-up, write this code: pop-up action dot display pop-up and new MAUI, and the new and the name of the uh, page. Okay, and for closing the dialog box you have to use pop-up dot close up pop-up. So this is the way you can create a pop-up by using a default method. If you want to show only a message, then you can use display alert. If you want to get input, only one input from the user, you can use display prompt. Or you can, if you want customized dialog, then you can use a plugin. Okay, all code is written in this blog. You can go through this blog. I have explained each and every detail. Okay, each and every parameter I have explained here. So you can go through this blog, and uh, I hope you understand this pop-up video. And if you have any question, then please ask me in the comment section. Okay, thank you. Bye.